Hi friends, I'm Ashish from Vedalogic Academy, and today we'll see some variations of squaring the numbers which are close to power of 10, like 10 and 100. So let's consider the numbers which are close to 10 first. So for them, we'll consider the base as 10. In case of 12 square, let's start with this example. So for the 12 square, we'll take the base as 10 because it's close to 10. So the difference here is 2, right? So here we'll get the answer in two parts. You will use 2 square, which is 4, as the right hand part of the answer. For the left hand part, we are going to use 12 and we are going to add the difference to it. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So the answer is 144. Similarly, if you see 93, which is close to 100, so let's try to do the square of this number. Here also the difference is 7, correct? Because 100 minus 93 is 7. Consider one thing here, it is minus 7 because it is less than 100. So the answer here again will be in two parts. Here we'll put the square of minus 7, or you can say 7 square, which is 49. For the first part of answer, we are going to use 93. And last time we added the number. Since this time the difference is negative, we are going to subtract it from 93. So 93 minus 7 is 86. So the answer is 8649. Coming to next example of 106. Here base is 100 and difference is 6. So the answer is going to be again in two parts. The right part of the answer is 6 square, which is 36. For the left part of the answer, we are going to use 106 and we are going to add the difference. That becomes 112. 11236 is our answer. Now coming to one more variation here. So let's consider a square of 17. Okay, the base again is 10, but the difference is 7. Now again answer will be in two parts here, but one thing we have to consider here is that 7 square is 49. Now we can't put 49 here on the right hand side. What we will have to do is, what we have to consider is that the base is 10, which has only one 0, right? So we can only consider one digit here, which we will consider as the unit digit. So I'll put 9 here and the remaining 4 will go as the carryover. For the left hand part of the answer, we are going to use 17 as before, right? And we are going to add the difference and we are also going to add the carry part. So 17 plus 7 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28. So the answer becomes 289, right? Similarly, if you come to see the square of 102, the base is 100, but the difference is only 2. Now square of 2 is 4. Now the problem is, for the right hand part, we are going to put the square of 2, which is 4. But the point to consider here is the base is 100, which means there are two zeros, right? If you see here, there are two zeros here. So we can't put 4 only because it's a single digit. So to make it two digits, we'll put a 0 in front of it. Okay. Now coming to left hand side part of the answer, we are going to use 102 plus the difference. So it becomes 10404 and that becomes our answer. Hope you understood all the methods. Like and subscribe to our channel and keep watching for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.